Hello and welcome to Keeping It Crispy. I'm your host, Jackson Alpert, aka Mr. Bacon himself. Today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite sugary snacks with the best food in the world, bacon strips. Let's get into making some candy bacon. Here is what you will need. 1 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup of cinnamon, a bowl for mixing, a pair of tongs, a whisk, 1 baking sheet completely covered in tin foil, and for this specific recipe we will be using 5 strips of bacon. Before making your dry rub, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, take your dry ingredients and put them both into your mixing bowl. And mix. Next, apply your dry rub. No need to put little amounts as you are going to cover the entire strip until it looks as if it's covered in dirt. Keep it in the oven for 15 minutes. Take them out, flip them over, and reapply. All that's left to do is to set it aside to cool and then enjoy. Always gets better every time. Now, join us here next week where I'm going to teach you how to make my signature bacon steaks. Keep it crispy, my dudes, and see ya.
The bacon sizzle.